Ladies and gentlemen, I am Dr. Subarna Bose and I am the chairman of the Education Committee of the Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and this time we are organizing the Bengal Chamber of Commerce Annual Education Conclave on 9th and 10th of October. And of course, during the pandemic, we have to do it on a virtual platform. But on behalf of my entire team at Bengal Chamber of Commerce, I'd like to welcome you to come and be a part of the Annual Education Conclave 2020, because this is big. This is going to be very big because this is on the National Education Policy 2020. After 40 years, India has got a national education policy and nothing can get bigger than this. So the entire theme of the conference is the NEP 2020, and we have as a keynote address no other than the man who wrote the national education policy, Dr. Kasturi Rangan. And of course, we have got a galaxy of the star and celebrity speakers from the education and from the government and from the business. So on behalf of my entire team at Bengal Chamber of Commerce and Industry, may I once again welcome all of you in the Annual Education Conclave 2020 on 9th and 10th of October, starting from 4 p.m. and ending at 9:30 p.m. Please do come and join us, because this is big in education and it can't get better than this. So once again, see you all and enjoy the Bengal Chamber of Commerce Annual Education Conclave 2020. Theme is National Education Policy 2020. Thank you very much, and please do join in. Thank you.